Udioli Gana, I got one Gana like 80 years old. Open on where business.
No Kagana. You must go put on shelf your official accolades, awards. You must go best you have doctorate this team. Philanthropist. Father walk of food. Hello. Lovely you.
One.
I did. I'm a nigga. Oh yeah. Yeah. As a lady, 80 years.
Okay.
Can you figure out her utmost joy in life? Is it gonna be a successful career, or B, born with Umakia?
Sorry, I didn't get. I worked from you, Joe. You go there again because you went again.
One need 80 years. One.
Okay.
A woman that is 80 years. Can you figure out joy young boy at the 80 years? Can you figure out a new young or successful career?
Okay.
Or bond with the children? These two things can work together, we know. So, which one will give her joy?
I think in Kenya job, Nobuna Umuyani need very successful. That's number one. Number two, Umuyani need a more for that's number two. And then number three, being able to ifo her grandkids, earlier, those things not to mothers especially like India, they're very old. I know, for example, my grandmother on a I be around and up on her phone on her chest all her grandkids, you know. So those things are good.
Something. God wants something to her at the age of 80.
Yes.
Okay.
So
can you go get another question? Like you said. So that means that a successful career doesn't matter at that age.
Well, I mean, at 80 years old, I'm not come with Udioli Gana. I got one Gana like 80 years old. Open on where business.
No Kagana. You must go put on shelf your official accolades, awards. You must go best you have doctorate this team. Philanthropist tropical. But now award. Let us see award in a shelf.
Well, I mean, at 80 years old, I mean, yes, as a woman at 80 years old, you're already like successful on your own. In Echakwa, those things are but I think what would bring more joy to an 80-year-old woman is knowing that her children and her grandkids and like her whole entire generation or whatever are doing very well. You know, I think that would bring her the utmost joy.
Good.
And obviously, open our Diakana around, the both of them will enjoy in the world as well.
Grandchildren. Okay.
I mean, grandchildren is the ultimate. Like my mom now, she has one grandson.
Retired grandmother.
Yeah, so she's not even up to 80, and she's excited about that. So imagine only able 80 years old where lots of grandkids and also successful on her own. I mean, I think. Sorry.
Somebody say normal. Hey, you go. Happy Mother's Day. Because I like for a man right here. Come on, yeah. You know, we love all you guys, man. It's not easy, being a mother. So I just want to hear from you. No, that's a bond. Because you are not born with here. I'm going on a full-time 9 to 5, 7 to 5, went to work from Monday to Sunday.
But now
you never get bond, so
I know.
I've got an idea.
Yeah.
So because I'm not equal all the cheese now, you get that bond.
No, it's not that easy now.
I thought you got to put your time on. You got to do there.
Yeah.
ya alọkwa there. Ọ bụrụ ọgwa ajọ afọ ọ ga-agbapụ si na ị na-eje ịrụ ọrụ na aka ịtụgodo ego first of all. You
Of course.
see, isi na ị na-enwe
But
bọndụ.
at 80 years old now, when is supposed to not relax? Then
Yeah, but
your
but
children will see you.
mgbe ị ga-ekreti those bond bụ na mgbe ahụ ị ka dị young ị mụrụ ọhụrụ na kemgbe ị chere bond bụ.
I mean, bonded, but now as that like this like my son is like one and 15
When they are
months.
small,
When they are
that's
small,
when the
yeah,
bond is. Yeah. Not when they grow. You can't get any
yeah.
bond out of them then.
Of course, of course.
All right, happy Mother's Day to all, you know.
Thank you.
We love all you, man. All it easy. Yeah, they go. I'm happy
Yeah.
at least in the mic for it. Well, boom with it. For
Onye ọbụla na-ekwe eze, mmadụ coming hang out.
all right.